Welcome to Purity and Passion. Have you ever noticed how some people naturally draw others in, while others seem to blend into the background? It's not about looks or luck. It's about mastering the art of connection. True attraction isn't built on empty compliments or predictable lines. It's created through psychological techniques that spark curiosity and desire. Today, I'm breaking it all down for you. These aren't just ordinary tips. They're powerful strategies that leave a lasting impression. As Will Rogers once said, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So, if you're ready to transform the way you interact and become truly unforgettable, stay with me. Let's dive into the secrets of deep, magnetic connection. 1. The power of first impressions. Your first interaction sets the tone for everything that follows. The key? Intrigue, mystery, and fun. Think of it this way. The way you introduce yourself, the way you hold yourself, even the way you pause before speaking. It all creates an energy that lingers in their mind long after the conversation ends. So instead of coming off as eager or over-rehearsed, master the art of creating an air of curiosity. A simple, confident smile, a playful challenge instead of a predictable compliment, a moment of silence that makes them lean in. That's how you make an impact from the very first moment. 2. The magic of humor. Mark Twain once said, "Against the assault of laughter, nothing can stand." Humor isn't just about jokes, it's about breaking barriers. When you can make someone laugh, you create an emotional shortcut to connection. It shows confidence, intelligence, and ease, all qualities that draw people in. Instead of relying on forced compliments, use witty, light-hearted humor to build attraction. Teasing in a playful, good-natured way creates chemistry that's far more powerful than just saying, "You're beautiful." Make them laugh, and you're already halfway there. 3. Mastering playful teasing. Playful teasing is a subtle art, and when done right, it's magnetic. But here's the key. It's never about putting someone down. It's about challenging them in a way that excites and engages. For example, instead of saying, "You're gorgeous," say something like, "I don't know, I feel like you're trouble. I should probably keep my distance." It's light, fun, and unexpected, and it immediately creates tension. They start wondering, wait, are they interested in me or not? That mystery draws them in. The secret to playful teasing. Balance. Push too hard and it becomes annoying. Hold back too much, and you fade into the background. But get it right, they'll remember you. 4. The subtle art of mirroring. Mirroring is one of the most powerful yet unnoticed tools of attraction. It's not about copying someone. It's about creating an invisible bond that makes them feel comfortable and connected to you. Psychologists have studied this phenomenon for years, and the results are clear. When two people's body language naturally syncs up, it triggers a deep sense of familiarity and trust. The next time you're in conversation, try this. If they lean in slightly. If they tilt their head, subtly do the same. If they speak with enthusiasm, match their energy. These small, almost invisible gestures send a subconscious message. We're in sync. And that's what builds instant rapport. 5. Reverse the chase. Make them pursue you. People are naturally drawn to challenges. If something feels too easy, it loses its value. So, instead of immediately showing full interest, flip the script and introduce a little playful resistance. For example, "I feel like I should be careful around you. You seem like the type." Final thoughts. At the end of the day, mastering connection isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding how human interaction works and using that knowledge to create genuine, meaningful bonds. Whether it's through humor, playful teasing, eye contact, or even subtle body language, the key is to engage in a way that feels natural and authentic. So, next time you're in a conversation, think about how you can add a little mystery, a little challenge, and a little warmth. Keep things fun, stay confident, and most importantly, be yourself. Because real attraction isn't just about what you say, but how you make someone feel. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell so you never miss out on more insights like these. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.